Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we're going to make an exotic salad for you. Yes, you heard me. Couscous.
Couscous.
Have you ever had couscous? I love couscous, but we're not just making any couscous. We're making Israeli couscous.
Oh.
Now, the difference between the both is that the regular couscous, the balls are really, or rather like little type of grains, because it's not necessarily pasta, it's not necessarily rice. They're really tiny, what you normally get like in the box of the store. But these Israeli couscous, the reason I love them is that because the balls are nice and big. And of course, they're going to get a little bit bigger than this, you know, once we cook it in our chicken broth. Again, if you don't have chicken broth, you can always just use water, salt, and pepper to tasting and liking of yours with some butter. That's it. So we are, oh, I just love touching them. These little balls. So this is the spinach flavor, the original flavor, which is the beige one, and then the carrot flavor. And that's why, I'm sorry, tomato flavor. That's why it's orange, green, and plain, beige. So, and also what makes our couscous salad exotic is that we have capers here, we have figs, we have slivered almonds, we have apricots, and as opposed to our leaf, the green that we're using in our couscous salad is parsley. And we also have olives, and we have shallots, and we have butter, of course, and garlic, and our olive oil for our dressing with our white wine and our oregano. So we're going to get into our vitamin content right now. And what we started to do is that we already started to boil our broth. So once it's boiled, Ian is going to put it right in, and we're going to get into our vitamin content. Israeli couscous has psyllium, niacin, folic acid, and manganese. Your butter has vitamin A, D, E, B12, and K2. Your capers has vitamins A, E, manganese, niacin, and calcium. And your figs has vitamins A, C, calcium, and copper, manganese, potassium, and phosphorus, and iron. Your slivered almonds has vitamins E and magnesium and manganese. And your apricots is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, E, and potassium, and it also has beta carotene. And your parsley has vitamins A, B, C, K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. And your green olives has vitamins A, E, iron, calcium, and copper. And your shallots has vitamins A and folate. And your garlic has vitamins B6, C, manganese, and selenium. I already had all of my items that's going to go in our exotic salad cut up, but I just want to kind of cut up some apricots and some of the things in front of you. So just slice it in half, and another half, like little slices. Gotta be careful of this because it's kind of sticky, the apricot. So just gonna cut it together. It's just, in the end results, from being slices, we just end up putting it in cubes. Just want to cut a few so you can kind of see, just in slices, okay? Just little cubes, same thing. You know, I didn't always like figs, but at one time when I was doing a fast, I was doing a Daniel fast, and I actually added figs to this whole wheat pasta I made, and it just was absolutely delicious. Out of this world. And I was like, oh man, people, this is underrated. People, it has like the little seeds that are naturally in it that you would normally see like in fig Newtons, if you're a person that likes fig Newtons, the cookies. If you don't, you should still give dried figs a chance. I tried. These are mission figs. Mission figs are darker in color. They look black, but it's really like a dark purple. And they are really delicious. particularly like in pasta dishes. We're putting in quinoa, and quinoa is not necessarily pasta, but it's super delicious. Now here are capers. Now with capers and olives, so this, you gotta watch the salt content on it. So what we did, even though our chicken broth is low sodium that we have, and I didn't put any other additional salt inside our couscous, because I knew it was gonna get all this lovely salt from our capers. And again, it's just like a little rough chop on the capers, so you can still have some whole pieces, because Ian loves capers.
Yes, I do.
And he loves them whole. I prefer them chopped up, but we're gonna just compromise here.
Yes, that sounds good.
And I'm just gonna leave them rough chopped for him, but mostly big. And here with our olives, is the same. You just kind of like cut it down in half, flip it over, just cut it down another half again, and another half again, and just gather it together, and there you go. Just cut it.
Can I ask a question about figs real quick?
Sure.
Is it good for like fiber? Is there fiber in figs or no?
Yes, there is.
That's what it's good for, right?
Well,
For me.
right, because again, I've spoken about this before, that men should consume 30 to 34 grams of fiber a day, and women should consume 24 to 28 grams of fiber a day. And generally, neither man nor woman, unless they're just really great about what they eat and their diet, they don't consume that. So with that said, if you have things like a fig or an apricot, they're really good at fiber, high fiber, foods that you can have as snacks, or in your actual preparation of cooking. So that's good to me. How's the couscous coming, E?
It's looking
Looks like
pretty
it's
good.
cooking up.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
cooking good.
And I'm just gonna rough chop this, not too much, just really the slivered almonds. I'm just gonna give it a quick chop, so you can still not be in tiny pieces, but still like nice whole bite size. And this is where we're gonna get our crunch from our salad, is from the slivered almonds.
Ooh.
So now that I've chopped this all up, once Ian has the couscous cooked up, we're just going to allow it to rest a little bit so we can start to incorporate everything in our salad. In the interim, what Ian's going to do is make his salad dressing.
Thank you.
Now Ian's just going to add his butter since the couscous is almost prepared.
Hang on 1 second, Mama.
Wow, that looks good. Is the chicken broth evaporated?
It's pretty much, it's still a little bit down at the bottom.
Okay, so you can add your butter.
Yes.
And just mix that in.
Yes.
And then you'll put the lid back in, and then you'll work on your dressing.
Yes,
and this salad is so easy to make. I mean, like really a quick fix dinner. And this is great for all the people who are vegans. Omit the butter or get a vegan butter. It's great for vegetarians because there is no meat in this whatsoever. But of course, I'm going to have my bacon.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to put it inside the main salad. So this is like a quick fix meal. You come home, you can even do this the night before, chopping everything, and just that day, just cook up your couscous. Everything else is just really quick for you to do. I mean, and honestly, in 15 to 17 minutes, you can have dinner with an exotic flair.
Okay.
Okay, Ian, so let's get your salad dressing going.
Yes, I will. Let me move this up.
So we're just going to use a mason jar, not our little blend jet today.
No, I like
to kind of shake this, because
I'm sorry, Mom.
Ian wants to show you how he could shake the salad dressing.
Shake.
This is our couscous. How beautiful that is. But now we got to wait for the couscous to cool down. See the hot steam coming through. This is live cooking here, honey.
Yes, it is.
So now Ian's going to make his salad dressing. Here's your olive oil.
Thank you, Mama. I'm going to take the spoons off to the side. Okay.
For your olive oil.
Okay. Just get it all out. All right. One.
Here is your shallots.
Oh, yes. Need the shallots for sure. I like these little spoons here, Mama.
Oh,
They're
great.
nice. Yeah, they work
Now, I will
perfect.
tell you with the shallots, I did let it soak in cold water for about 20 minutes. And the reason I did that was so it wouldn't be so pungent and so you wouldn't tear so much.
Garlic.
So here we have garlic in there.
Garlic. Last but not least, my white wine.
White wine, because it helps tone down a little bit of the acid as opposed to using vinegar. Here you go.
Okay, hold on.
Just pour your white wine in there. Okay. And you need some of your oregano.
Yes. Okay. The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay, we'll do the whole thing.
And all right, so you're about to have a party, right?
Okay, I'm gonna do my little shake dance, right?
All right, so let me move on over so you can shake it on up.
Yeah. Make sure it's all tight. Yeah, it is.
Woo! Look at you shaky. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo!
A little shake, shake, shake.
Yeah. And so the shaking process, what that does is kind of emulsify and let it become a little thicker, your dressing.
Oh, yes.
And that's what he has now. So, awesome. Awesome.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Mama?
Wonderful. Let's see.
That's...
So now, what you want to do is start to, ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Okay,
That's
so you
beautiful.
want to incorporate a little bit of your,
How much?
just probably like that's a tablespoon there.
That
So yeah, probably put like 3 tablespoons,
one.
and you're gonna mix it together. Oh, good,
Two.
it's starting to cool. Like to hold it down. Yeah, 3.
Three.
Wonderful. So now you want to take your spoon,
Yeah.
and you want to mix that up.
Okay.
And then we're going to incorporate all these wonderful dried fruits and nuts, and
Thank you,
the
Mama.
saltiness with the sweet is going to be a beautiful balance and marriage. And the saltiness of the capers and the saltiness of the olives. And then you have the sweetness from the apricot and the figs. And you get that wonderful crunch from the slivered almonds. Can't wait. Oh, awesome job, E.
Thank you, Mom. Learning from the
And
best.
so our, this is salad, like I said. So our greenery today is going to just be our parsley that's here. Now, now Ian's going to put all of our wonderful capers and olives and apricots and figs and parsley and slivered almonds.
Slivered almonds. So I'm going to start with the olives, Mama.
Wonderful.
Put them right over in this spot over here. Make little sections if you don't mind.
Okay, great.
Okay, good idea. Okay, that's one. We'll go with the apricots and turn it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's go with the figs. Get some more different dark colors right
Oh,
over here.
that's a great idea.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just have gloves on might just be better. It should just,
Using my hand.
yeah,
Can I do that?
yeah.
RTE?
So that way it kind of stays through your
Yeah,
little
okay. R-
sections as you're trying to
RTE,
do.
right, Mama?
That's right.
Ready to eat.
What's that, your capers?
Yes, these are my
Your
capers.
capers.
And then I'm going to go with my apricots.
Oh.
Okay.
Awesome. Now you're going to just pour your dressing and you're going to mix. And then we get to eat. I'm going to shake your dressing up again one last time.
Should I?
Yeah.
Give it one more spritz?
Yeah.
I'll give it one more shake for you.
Shake it, shake it.
Shake, 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 shake.
All
All
right.
right, now.
Look at that. Look how it became a thick dressing.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Such prettiness.
You You're gonna mix it all up.
Mm-hmm.
That's with that had your shallots and your
And
garlic
garlic.
and your olive oil and your white wine. Yep.
Okay.
And your oregano.
Can I use them all? Or
Yeah.
should I use- Thank you.
Yeah, give it a go.
Thank you.
Okay, E. I am so excited for us to get to eat our couscous
Yes.
exotic gourmet
Mm-hmm.
salad. Even though we don't have a lot of greens in here, the parsley is our green.
Yes, it is.
So, guess what we're gonna do?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hmm.
I'm eating this with a spoon so I can grab all the goodness.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Let me tell you something. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
You have that saltiness, not salty like overly like sodium salty, but like it's truly a party in your mouth, a festive party, because you definitely have the sweet and the salty. You have the capers and the olives in here.
And the figs. The figs.
You have the figs with the apricot. Mm-hmm.
The crunchiness. Oh.
And get the crunch from the slivered almonds. And you taste the freshness from the parsley and the oregano. And they just taste so smooth because of the olive oil.
Yes.
Smooth salad. Listen, do not forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. We love hugs, Ian and I.
Yes, we do.
And the way you show us love is by clicking the like button. The way we show you love is that we want to be able to bring you more and more content every week.
Be part of the
So
family.
hit the subscribe button.
Be part of the family.
Be part of the family, the Mama Chef and family.
Mama, what do you think?
Loving every bite.
I say so.
Loving every bite.
Yes.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. We so appreciate it. We look forward to you coming back to hang out with us again. And don't forget, share this channel.
Yes.
Sharing is caring, and I believe you're a caring person. So thank you for hanging out with us. Love you. Bye.
Take care now. Bye.